In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral posts using AI, specifically with Perplexity and Contentdrips. Creating content that captivates your audience, intends, and boosts engagement is crucial in the digital age, and leveraging AI tools can significantly enhance your creative process. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to begin by going to Google. Open your browser, and in the address bar, type google.com. Once you've made it to Google, the next step is to type Perplexity in the search bar. This is an AI-powered tool, perfect for generating innovative content ideas. Now, after typing Perplexity, hit Enter, and it will take you to a page full of search results. Once the results are up, look for the official Perplexity website and click on the link to head over to their platform. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, it's time to make a prompt. You might be wondering what type of prompt could help generate engaging content hooks. So here's a suggestion. Try asking, what are the most engaging hooks people use in personal branding posts? After entering your prompt, you will need to click the Submit button. The tool will process your request and generate a list of suggestions based on your question. Now, take a close look and copy the hooks or ideas that resonate with you or that you believe will perform well for the type of content you're aiming to create. With those hooks in hand, it's time to integrate them with another brilliant tool, Contentdrips. Head over to Contentdrips by opening their website. When you're there, search for the AI Post Writer feature. This handy tool is designed to help you craft engaging posts efficiently by utilizing the AI-generated ideas you've collected. Click on AI Post Writer, and once you're in, paste the text you copied from Perplexity into the designated area. This step is crucial as it helps you blend your selected hooks into a cohesive, compelling post. After pasting your text, click on the button labeled Generate Posts. It's essentially like hitting the magic button. This automates the creation of potentially viral content using the hooks you've chosen. While the post is being generated, it's essential to wait for a moment as the AI does its thing. This process won't take long, so be patient. Once it's done, scan through the results carefully. Analyze the posts that the AI has crafted, and feel free to tweak them if needed to better align with your brand voice and style. There you have it. You've used AI tools to craft engaging posts effortlessly. By combining the capabilities of Perplexity AI with the creative functionality of Contentdrips, you're well on your way to creating content that not only gains attention, but also encourages interaction and engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you in mastering the art of creating viral posts using AI. Until next time, happy content creating!